Hey everybody, today I wanted to go over something with you. We got my son G Jr. this toolkit, Husky toolkit. It's nice. How many pieces is it?
190 piece set.
It's a 190 piece set. It's got 1/2 inch sockets, room for another ratchet stuff, everything. And then over here you open this up and these drawers open up and you have more sockets. Close that one, show the next one. More sockets. Okay, push it back in. Okay, the problem. This is the problem, is the thing is so heavy. When you go and pick it up, if you jar it around, these two wings are the only thing that holds these from sliding out. And then these fall on the ground because there's nothing to hold them in, and the sockets go everywhere. We've dumped this thing three times. So here is the solution for you people. You need to find a long skinny bolt. This long skinny bolt came out of a starter motor. We drilled a hole in here. So this bolt goes all the way through both drawers.
Well, you got to drill the drawers out too.
You have to yes, here, let me pull that out and show the people. And then you have to drill the drawers. There's one drill hole, there's the other one. So now you have a pin that keeps the drawers from popping open and dumping your 100 sockets out. Other than that, it's a nice tool set to have. Plenty of sockets. That is a flawed design when you're just trying to hold, you know, I guarantee you a 2-year-old kid could flip that open. All right. Bad design on their part, but we fixed it by putting a longer bolt and drilled holes in it to hold it from thing. So if you have one of these kits, I'd highly recommend just drilling a hole all the way through and putting a bolt in. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.